Hello guys, welcome to this live stream. So in this live stream, I will basically talk about how we can actually download the Facebook video from URL. And for this specific application, I've developed a simple online tool on my website freemediatools.com, and I will show you in this video how I developed this. So this is actually Facebook video downloader. You will simply go to the description of this live stream. You will actually get a payment link where you can actually purchase this product. You will actually get a live demo on that web page. You can directly go to this link freemediatools.com/Facebook media downloader. You can check out my free demo of this tool before purchasing the source code of this tool. So here it allows you to actually enter the Facebook video URL. So if you go to Facebook, you can pick any video. If you type any text out there and go to the video section, and let's suppose you want to check out any video. I take this video for example, and you just need to copy this link, and in this tool you need to simply paste this link. Click on download video, and it will take some time. This GraphQL API, it will do the processing in the background, and then it will fetch the download link of that particular video along with the thumbnail. You will see that guys, the thumbnail of the video is fetched, and now there is a download video option. Click on this button and now your download will start. So it will actually download the video. Here you can see 61 megabytes are there. So it is actually using the GraphQL API which is offered by Facebook, and we are actually making HTTP request in the background, and after that it has fetched the video, and you can see the download links are there. Simply need to click the download video button. So now it is just downloading this video. So depending upon your internet speed, it will actually download this video onto your local machine so that you can view this video offline. So this is actually a Facebook video downloader, so it's a very handy application out there. So if you are actually using Facebook for your daily purpose, you can actually copy the link of the video and simply plug the link and click on download video. So it will actually fetch whichever video you want. You can, let's suppose you want this video, copy link address. Again, you will do the same process, paste the link, click on download video. So now once again it is doing the same job here. It is actually processing it. It will fetching the download link, and you can basically see it is actually, this is the thumbnail of the video matches the same. You can see we copy the link, and there is a download button. Simply click download. So once again your download will start. You will see that. So I can simply cancel this. So now a video is downloading guys. It is around about 61 megabytes, so 25 megabytes are already done. So once it downloads, I will open the video and play for you. So typically this application works. So the link is given. You can directly purchase this source code that I am giving you in Node.js Express. This complete application, you can try this application first of all on my website freemediatools.com before you purchase the source code. And I will simply actually develop this application in this live stream for you guys so that you can clearly see it is happening. This is we are actually using Node.js Express, and for this specific purpose we have developed a particular module here, coding Shiksha downloader. This is my custom module that I developed in Node.js Express, and it is actually using GraphQL API in the background. So I will simply, what I will do, I will simply write this code from scratch. So I will simply delete this code also. We are also using EJS template engine. So first of all, what you need to do right here inside locally, you just need to initialize an npm init dash file. So this will actually create a package.json file. Then you need to install Express and EJS. These are the two modules that we need to install, Express, EJS. So once you actually purchase it, you will actually get a zip file from Google Drive automatically. This will be the zip file. You just need to extract that zip file and then start this application by invoking node index.js. So this will start your backend server and start your application. So now I just need to say node index.js. This is, nothing is there inside this, that's why it is not starting the server. So now it is already done. 53 megabytes are downloaded. So once you can see 30 seconds are left. So once the video downloads, guys, I just want to play this video so that you can clearly see the Facebook video downloader works. So it's a real application which downloads video using GraphQL API. And once it downloads, I can play this video alongside the sound will also be there in the video. So you can clearly see full HD video is downloaded using this code. So once it complete, you can see the video is completed, downloaded. So you can see that, guys, now the video is full. You can see the sound is also there. Sound is also there in the video. So you can see the video is downloaded and this is actual tool. You can try out this tool, guys, from my website freemediatools.com. It is clearly live before you purchase it. So now let's get started. So now for building this application, guys, we can now first of all start the Express backend server. So what I will do is that I will simply go to the index.js file right here, and first of all start our basic Express server. We will say let Express, and then we will instantiate a new Express app and start this server on localhost 5000. So I will simply pick the port number as localhost 5000. So app is listening on port 5000, and here we will actually make set the view engine, which is EJS app.set view engine EJS. So here we are essentially setting the view engine to be EJS, and then we need to also include the body parser middleware, which is essential while we are working with forms. So express.url encoded extended to false. So these two lines you need to write, guys, before you are working with forms right here. That's why this two lines are required. And now we will simply make a simple get request. So whenever someone goes to the home page of this application, we need to simply load the template right here, which will be the index template. So now we need to actually make the views folder, just make the views folder, and inside this make the index.ejs file. EJS is extension of EJS files. So I can simply give it a title like this. So we also need to include bootstrap for styling purpose. So I will simply include the CDN for bootstrap after the title. So you can see the bootstrap CDN has been included. Now we will actually be having a simple heading in the center position. We are using these bootstrap classes. So if I start this server right here, if I type the command node index.js, or if I say nodebone index.js, it is saying that port number 5000 is already in use, so we can change this port number to 3000. So now you can see app is listening on port 3000. If I go to this localhost 3000, so now you can see that. So now it is heading is taking place. It is loading this file, and now after this, what we need to do right here, we need to have a simple form. And this form will actually make a post request to this route, which is /fetch. And the method here will be post. We will make a simple post request, and inside this, we will actually be having a input field where the user will enter the URL of the Facebook video. So we will give it a label here to the user, simply telling the user what to write here. So we will give it a class of form label. This is actually a bootstrap class. We will say that enter Facebook video URL. So after this, we just need to say here input type text, and we need to give it a class of form control, and this will be required, and the placeholder will be enter Facebook video URL. And we will also be giving a name parameter to it so that we can target in Node Express code. So this name parameter is required because we will target this name parameter whenever we need to get the value inside Express. So this give it a name attribute of video URL. So after you do this, there will be this input field added right here. You will see that this input field. And after this, we just need to have a simple button to the user so that they can actually download the video. So we will give it a bootstrap class to it of btn primary. So there will be this button added right here if you see, and then we will simply be making this post request. You can change this to Facebook video downloader like this. This is actual post request. Now we need to make this post request by writing this app.post. So this will be a async function. So now we will actually be getting the URL that the user has written, the video URL, by using request.body.video URL. So whatever name parameter that you have given right here, if you see, we have given this name parameter as video URL. So exactly we are writing this name parameter and getting the URL. So after you get this URL, the job becomes very much easy. I developed this module guys for you guys only. This module allows to actually download the Facebook videos. So this module that I developed, coding Shiksha downloader. So this module will only be automatically be present in the zip file after you purchase it. And one such method is available in this module, which is ndown. This is actual method which allows you to download the Facebook video. So we will actually be using this method, which we will enclose this inside try catch block. So if any sort of error take place, we can simply console log the error. So in the try block, we will simply be uh, getting the data, which is async await, and we'll call this ndown function and pass the video URL. So after you get, you'll actually be getting a JSON response console log data. So console log URL, and we will need to get fetch the data property of it, data.data. So we need to fetch the data property of data0. So if you just see, if you refresh it, and let's suppose if you submit any URL of the YouTube Facebook video, if I paste this URL, copy link address, paste it inside this application, click on download video, and if you see, basically it is saying video URL is not defined. Let me see. Sorry, this needs to be URL, not video URL. Just make that change. So if you see, let me see if it is running already. Okay, sorry. This is my URL. So yeah, node more index.js. Let me start this. Paste the URL. Click on download video. So you will basically see there will be this JSON response given to us. 720 HD quality thumbnail will be returned to us. This, if you copy this thumbnail and paste it in the browser, you will actually get the thumbnail of the video, of the Facebook video. If I simply Control C on my keyboard, so if I try to open this, so this will be the actual thumbnail of the video that if I copy the, and same in the second property is the actual URL of the video. You can see that for every video this URL will be unique, and if you directly paste this URL in the browser, the video will get downloaded. You will see that. So now the video downloaded has been started, and once it completes, I can simply play my video file in the video player locally.
आज हम बना रहे हैं राजमा.
You can see that. So we now need to do this programmatically. How after you purchase this source code, you will actually get this module which will actually return this response as a JSON response of this Facebook video downloader. Now what we need to do right here, we actually need to parse this response which is coming right here and pass it to the EJS template. So what I will do is right here, we will simply be passing this data to the EJS template. We will re-render the template, the response render index, and here we will pass first of all the title. We don't need to pass the title right here. We just need to say the thumbnail of the video, which will be present inside URL, sorry, data.data0.thumbnail, and the actual video. So this will be present inside data.data0.url. That's all. So we also need to initialize these two things, thumbnail, video. Whenever we right here, you can say thumbnail to be undefined and video to be undefined. So you do need to do this. If you don't do this, you will get an error, because whenever we first of all render this page, these two variables will be undefined. Now we are re-rendering this template, so this two variables will have these two things right here. We will pass these two things to the template. Now we just need to add a if condition in this template right here after the form ends right here. We will having a if condition in the EJS template. So conditionally we are rendering the things if thumbnail and the video variable exist. In that case only we need to execute the below code. So these are the EJS template, guys, which makes it very much easy to write conditional JavaScript. So embedded JavaScript template, it's called EJS. So if it is telling that if these two variables exist, then only execute this code which is present. So we will actually be rendering out the download links right here. So we will give it a class of text center, image source, and we will say thumbnail. Here we will be putting the thumbnail of the video, and this will be, we'll give it a bootstrap class of image thumbnail, close it, and then we will be rendering out the video. So for video we will have an anchor tag, and this will be going to this URL which is video. So it will be opening in a btn success. We can give it a class to it. It will automatically download. We will give it a download parameter to it, and the label will simply say download video. So that's all. This is all that we need to do. If you refresh now your application, paste the URL, click on download video. It will take some time, fetch the URL, and now you can see that it is showing the thumbnail of the video on the button. If you click the button, automatically your video will automatically get downloaded, and then you can play your video on your video player. Once it finishes, you will see that
आज हम बना रहे हैं राजमा
clearly with the sound as well. So you can take any video, for example, copy link address, take this video, just need to plug the URL, click on download video. It will again fetch the video, thumbnail, video URL, all these things using GraphQL API in the background at the module that you can see that. So you can see how awesome this application is. It makes it very much easy for your task. You don't need to go to any third-party website for downloading Facebook videos. It's a complete project, Node.js Express project, which makes it very much easy for you to actually download Facebook videos and using this module that I developed for you. So the link is given. You can directly purchase this project, guys, which is you can first of all try this application on my website freemediatools.com by going to Facebook video downloader. Try out this project. If you are interested, then the link is given. You can directly purchase it in the description of this video live stream. There will be the payment link available. You can purchase it. After you purchase it, you will actually get this project file from Google Drive after the payment. So thank you very much for watching this live stream, and I will be seeing you in the next live stream.